In the darkest hours of World War II, when the British Isles stood alone against the formidable Nazi war machine, a voice echoed through the radio waves, instilling hope and determination in the hearts of millions. That voice belonged to Winston Churchill, the British Prime Minister. On June 4, 1940, he delivered a speech that would be etched in the annals of history as one of the most powerful orations ever. Today, we delve deep into the essence of this speech that galvanized a nation to fight on. The backdrop was grim. The Dunkirk evacuation had just concluded, saving over 330,000 British and French soldiers, but at a cost. A significant amount of weaponry and equipment was left behind. Churchill, in his characteristic style, did not sugarcoat the situation. He acknowledged the gravity of the Dunkirk retreat but emphasized that the miracle of Dunkirk showcased the indomitable spirit of the British forces. Churchill's words transitioned from the grim realities to a defiant stance. He declared, "We shall go on to the end. We shall fight in France, on the seas and oceans, with growing confidence and growing strength in the air." This wasn't just rhetoric, it was a rallying cry. A call to every Briton to brace themselves for the battles ahead, instilling a sense of unity and purpose. But it was the climax of the speech that has since become iconic. "We shall fight on the beaches, on the landing grounds, in the fields and streets, in the hills, we shall never surrender." These words, more than any other, encapsulated the relentless spirit and determination that Churchill expected from every British citizen. Churchill also addressed the potential of foreign invasion, emphasizing that even if the British Isles were subjugated and starving, the Empire and its Commonwealth would carry on the struggle until, in God's good time, the New World would step forth to rescue and liberate the Old. Churchill's speech was not just a call to arms, but a beacon of hope. It served as a testament to the British spirit of resilience and unity. Even today, it stands as a timeless reminder of the power of words to inspire action and foster unity in the face of adversity.